Isang bagong sci-fi exhibition ang magaganap sa Vancouver kung saan bida ang Filipino comic book mula Calgary. Silipin natin ang The World of a Class sa report na ito.
A lot of the themes of it is class struggle, social struggle, and kind of like the bigger themes that Philippines have been plagued since the beginning of time.
Ito raw ang mga tema ng Comic Book Edition 1 at 2 ng Aklas, isang graphic novel na magde-debut sa loob ng isang 144-page volume sa Vancouver ngayong Agosto. Binuo ang Aklas Comics ni Harvey Nicol at Daniel Peroni kung saan lahat ng mga graphics at litrato gawang Pilipino.
Aklas is a science fiction graphic novel set in 2048 in an alternate universe of the Philippines where the Philippines never became independent. So it's essentially, tackling a lot of the stories that are going on now with the political climate of the world, but putting a futuristic spin on it.
Gaganapin ang The World of a Class Cyberpunk Philippines exhibit sa VS Creative Lab sa Main Street, Vancouver sa Sabado, Agosto 30. Natatakbo hanggang sa katapusan ng Setyembre. Itatampok dito ang comic book, mga obra at art mula sa mga karakter kabilang ang isang Aklas chessboard.
Where we're going to be showing us a film screening of a documentary I created last year called Aklas: The Making of. And it kind of chronicles our journey into creating this work, while also at the same time we're going to be showcasing a lot of sculptures that I've created inspired by Aklas.
Libre ang exhibit sa publiko at magkakaroon din ng isang jeepney mech sculpture painting workshop.
With this is kind of like your blank canvas, and folks are encouraged to paint them however they want so that they can, have their own version and then they can bring it home after.
Kasali rin sa event ang mga fundraising efforts para sa VS Creative Labs Community Capsule para sa mga nakatakda pang workshops at exhibits sa lugar. Bahagi rin ang workshop ni Nicol ng When We Wake Creative Healing Series mula sa United Way Lapu-Lapu Day Kapwa Fund.
I think when we continue community building and helping each other, skill building, it's a way for us to kind of move on and try to, use creativity as a way to heal.